Let's make a Drunkard Illusion Quilt. You will need a marking pen, rotary cutter, square ruler, and a 6-inch Drunkard's Path template, along with your normal sewing supplies. The finished size of this quilt will be 39 by 39 inches, which is perfect for a baby quilt. The beauty of this quilt is that you can make it as big as you want or as small as you want. For your background fabric, you will need a 2.5 by 6-inch strip, a 2.5 by 8-inch strip. For your primary dark fabric, you will need a 3.5 by 7-inch strip. For your medium fabric, you will need a 3.5 by 7-inch strip. You will also need a 5.5-inch block, which you will cut your Drunkard's Path. Taking both your dark and medium fabric, lay them right sides together. Using your diagonal line on your ruler, mark your fabric from the top left corner to the bottom right and go ahead and sew on the line. Press your seams open, taking the top portion of your Drunkard's Path, the one with the straight line, align the top corner and bottom line on that block and cut out the templates. You will need to repeat this 32 times. Using the 5-inch strip or 5-inch square, cut out 32 of the curved portion of the drunkard's path. Then sew or assemble both units together in the manner that is most comfortable to you. Press your unit towards the circle. Once pressed, let's go ahead and square that up. Your drunkard's path should be facing towards you with the circle portion on your lower left-hand side. Using the diagonal line on your ruler, you want to square that up to 6 inches. Great, you've made it this far. We're going to go to the easy part now. Taking the 2.5-inch by 6-inch light fabric, you are going to want to sew that using a 1/4-inch seam on your medium fabric so the medium fabric is facing up. Press that to the light, then repeat that process with the 8-inch strip of fabric on the dark side. So nothing should be touching the circle, just everything touching your medium and dark fabric. Square that up to 7.5 inches. The assembly begins. Taking 25 of our blocks, we're going to lay them out in this manner. It is going to go on point 1, 3, 5, 7, 5, 3, 1. Again, that is on point 1, 3, 5, 7, 5, 3, 1. Go ahead and lay it out now. All right, y'all, we are so close. So we are going to do work on the half square triangles to finish up our top. Taking 3 of the remaining blocks, you should have a total of 7. Taking 3 of them, we are going to cut it in half on the diagonal, taking another 3, we are going to cut on the diagonal again, but at a different orientation, so opposite of what we cut. And then on the final block, we are going to cut on the diagonal twice so that we have 4 units. If you're unsure, please just watch this portion of the video. All right, my ohana, all that is left is assembling the quilt top. I appreciate you hanging out with me as I do this tutorial. Have fun with it. Post your pics on my YouTube page or my Discord. Appreciate. Love y'all. Bye.